I love how straightforward she is, willing to help, very knowledgeable. She was able to identify maybe what I was having trouble with, not necessarily that it was trouble, but how I could polish something that I was doing well and make it better. She joked around a little like, hey, I'm not calling you out or anything, but I like that. That really helps me. You're encouraging me to grow. You're putting me on the spot. The class was very hands-on, very interactive, so I think I learned a lot. Just really getting that script down, getting that talk track down, and I figured out with Jessica's help that I was mixing up my reason for reaching out and my because statement. I was blending those together. So, hey, it's Eric from ASWI. We're a partner with Acumatica. I'm reaching out to set up some time with you because I received your information, or I see that you're interested in ERP software vendors, and then asking for that time and then just cutting it off right there. Hook them immediately, let them know why we're calling. They're busy, they have things to do. So once I have their attention, let them know why I'm reaching out, tell them where I got their information, just asking for that time to sit down and have that meeting. Sometimes I get a lot of leads. Something Jessica said really resonated with me is a lot of times you can't commit to all of those leads. If I have 200 leads to call, it's really hard to create a cadence and keep that cadence going with all of those 200. Taking the sample size that you know you can handle, maybe on that first day of your sequence, moving to that next day, when's that next touch point going to be, taking that next touch point and then possibly making another sequence with another safe amount of leads that you feel comfortable working with, starting another touch point. You can stay consistent with all of those leads. Everybody's getting those touch points how they should be, and you can stay committed, stay involved. I know it's not a networking class, but getting to network with other professionals that see this as beneficial, picking up new soft skills. I feel like when you're virtual, you can learn and retain, but it's something about somebody being in front of you. We all had to get up, drive here this morning. Some people flew, and just seeing how we all can come together collectively and teach each other, feed off each other's energy. I think you don't get something like that in an online environment. It's really good to be in person to feel that. I'd say a lot of things that Sales Gravy has taught me here with this boot camp, it really just got my brain going. Like, how can I be more fanatical? There was an example of can't keep a good squirrel down. How can I be more nuts about sales, basically? Coming up with some good ways that I can continue to prospect, outreach, like better ways, things that are not just the regular, the norm, because everybody else is doing that. Me just trying to push my boundaries and grow as a BDR, sales rep, just any position that involves outreach. Gave an example of the fanatic Bill fans, how those Bill fans are outside in 20-degree weather, cold, or shirt off, painted. Are you fanatical or squirrely about sales, or maybe the people you love, or a goal that you have? Dare to say the crazy you are about it, think you're gonna get shocking results. And then other people are looking like, hey, you know, how are you doing that? And then maybe you show them and they're like, you're crazy, but you're crazy not to be doing this if it's getting results.
Hey, I'm doing a happy dance because you watched this video. Make sure that you click like and subscribe so that you never miss one of our amazing sales training videos.